Discover what full service broking can do for you with Sharekhan.
Hello everyone, welcome again to Sharekhan Podcast IPO Flash Series. Hope you all are healthy and safe. Today we talk about another IPO, Clean Science and Technology Limited. Kindly note, this is an informational piece on IPO which is based on the RHP filed by company with SEBI and not a recommendation. Incorporated in the year 2003, Clean Science and Technology Limited is one of the leading chemical manufacturers globally. They manufacture functionally critical specialty chemicals such as performance chemicals, pharmaceutical intermediates, and FMCG chemicals. The company's products are used in wide range of industries like in the manufacture of paints and inks, agrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, flavors and fragrance, food and animal nutrition feed, and personal care like cosmetics products. Let us look at some of the key strengths. Clean Science and Technology Limited is among the leading companies in India to have commercialized use of environment-friendly processes to manufacture certain specialty chemicals at a global capacity. Company is among the largest producer globally of functionally critical specialty chemicals, which is used across various industries and geographies, thus resulting in de-risk business model. Company is led by experienced promoters and senior management with extensive domain knowledge. Company enjoys strong and long-standing relationship with its key customer. Their key customers include Bayer AG and SRF Limited for agrochemical products, Genex Laboratories for pharmaceutical intermediates, and Viniti Organics for specialty monomer products, Nutriad International NV for animal nutrition. Company has 2 manufacturing facilities in India with 11 production lines with a combined installed capacity of 29,900 metric per ton as of December 31, 2020. As majority of company sales are through export, both facilities are strategically located at Kurkumbh, Maharashtra, which is close to JNPT port. Company is well positioned to capitalize on various opportunities in the specialty chemical segment due to its lower cost of production in India as compared to imports from China, and also based on its established relationship with multinational companies. CSTL wants expanding manufacturing capacity of existing products and also wants to set up an additional capacity for the new products. It wants to continue to strengthen its presence in India and expand its sales and distribution network in the international market. Let us also understand the key concern for the company. Dependency on R&D capabilities and inability to continue to design catalytic processes may adversely affect the business. Also, none of the company's catalytic processes are patented and intellectual property may not be adequately protected, which may again affect the business. Inability to continue engaging with customers and lack of long-term agreements with suppliers for raw material would have an adverse effect on business. Let us now look at the financials. At the IPO price band of Rs 880 to 900 per share, the offer is valued at 47.1 times and 48.2 times its FY21 earning per share at lower and upper end of the price band. CSTL posted strong results in FY21 with revenues growing by 22% year-on-year and operating profit growing by 40% year-on-year. Reported PAT grew by 42% year-on-year to Rs 198 crores in FY21. CSTL has a strong earning track record with 59% PAT CAGR over FY18 to 21 and return on equity of 36.8%. Company's earning growth outlook is robust given its strong market share, consistent focus on R&D, great cost control, and strong long-standing relationship with key customers. The public issue opens on July 7 and closing date is July 9. Price band is fixed at Rs 880 to 900 per equity share with a face value of Rs 1 per share. Investors can bid for a minimum of 16 equity shares and in multiples of 16 equity shares thereafter. That's all for the day. For more details, disclosure, and disclaimer, please refer to our IPO note or contact our nearest branch. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast, and thank you for listening in as always. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.